In this video, I'll show you how to stop notifications being organized by priority on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Now, what you need to do is go to the settings and tap on it. Now, tap on the Galaxy AI. When it opens, scroll down to Notification Highlights and tap on it. Now, read the information that is here and tap on OK. Now there are two options here. Tap on Prioritize Notifications. Here you will see that Prioritize Notifications is turned on. If this is turned on, what it means is that important notifications appear first so you don't miss any of them. Now the Galaxy AI uses information about you and the content of the notification to determine what's likely to be important to you. So you can choose whether to allow notifications from individual applications to be prioritized in the app's notification settings. Also note that only notifications in the same language as your phone's system language can be prioritized. Now, if you don't like this turned on, you can go ahead to turn it off. So you may go ahead to turn this off if you don't want it. Now, what this means is notifications will be based on when they arrive on your phone and not based on priority. If this video helped you, go ahead and like the video, share, and I will see you in the next one for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.